Welcome to Covet House. Come with me while I take you on the tour to our stand at Decorex 2018. So here we have our bar area. We're presenting some of our contract collection from Bravo and Delightful. Here we have the number 20 bar chairs together with the brew bag pendant for your projects. On this side we have our lounge area where you can sit down and have a drink with us. Make sure to stop by. On this side we are presenting some mid-century style furniture with our lovely central home. You can see the monocle cabinet, which is one of our best sellers. Just over here we have our magical corner with Circo. It's our furniture for kids. They will love it, so please bring them with you where they can try and see the cloud lamps. Over here we have our living room area. So if you're tired and you want to take some rest, just come and join us. We have a lovely sari sofa from Bravo. Also we are presenting a new piece from Rug Society, the sister rug. And of course, we couldn't miss the Eden series from Boca do Lobo, which is one of our most iconic pieces. Over there, we also have the Explosion from Luxo, which is one of our lighting brands. Come with me for the last part of our stand. Here we have the Pixel cabinet from Boca do Lobo. It's sure to make a now statement on your projects. We always bring it with us for the trade shows. On the top you can see the Galliano suspension from Delightful, so please make sure to keep your chin up and see the wonderful lighting pieces that we have here to present. Last but not least, we have a lovely Maison Valentina luxury bathrooms with a Newton wash basin together quite well with our lovely and grave mirror from Boca do Lobo. So if you are around, please come in and enjoy our company at our stand. We are more than welcome to come and have a glass with us and celebrate design with friends. We hope to see you soon.